Here we're asked to write the equation of a parabola in standard form. So here's our standard form, remember. But we're only given the vertex, which is helpful because the vertex is the h value and the k value. So we know that the h value is a -2, the k value is a +5. And then it gives us a point, and a point gives us x and y. So it gives us that x is 0 and y is 9. Well, that's okay, but it doesn't give us exactly the standard form. It gives us enough information to solve for a. Right? So if we substitute in what we know, we filled in our h and k values, 2 for h, 5 for k, sorry, -2 for h. And then we filled out our point, x is 0, y is 9. So if I rewrite this equation using that information, I get 9 equals a times 0 minus -2 squared plus 5. Now we can solve for a. So if we do that, we get 9 equals a times, this would be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 5. Subtract the 5 over, get 4 equals 4a. Nice whole number here. Looks like our a value is just 1. So if we write our standard form now we have our a value, we have our vertex, and we can write out our standard form using y equals. So our standard form then would be y equals the a value, which is 1, times x minus the h value, which is a -2, so plus 2, squared, plus 5. And there is your standard form given the vertex of -2, 5 and running through the point 0 and 9. Now you could be given this information in two different ways. You could just be given it written out like this one, or you could be given the picture of a graph where you have the picture gives you the vertex and the picture gives you a point, and you can use the same strategy. So you'll see both of those in your assignment, whether it's a picture of a graph or written out this way, you can use this strategy.